greetings from sweet Jamaica. I am in the famous Boston Bay. Now it's actually famous for being a jerk center where you can get jerk pork, jerk chicken, jerk anything that you want. But there's actually an incredible Ital restaurant just a couple minutes on the way to Ferry Hill. So if that is your thing, when you pass by here, make sure to stop at Aya's. And I think we're about to have a special kind of smoothie today, a Tinkin Toe smoothie. And I'm very interested in this because I've found the Tinkin Toe hiking before. I've tasted it kind of raw, but I've never actually had it in any kind of dish. So this is gonna be a new one for me and maybe a new one for you too. So I'll link Aya down below. Definitely give her a follow on Instagram and check her out if you're passing through Portland, Jamaica. So I'm with the famous Aya from Aya Naturals.
Blessed love.
Bless up, nice to meet you.
I'm getting my ingredients together.
Alright.
For a little stinking toe smoothie today. This is the powder.
So this is actually from the Tinkin Toe, the stinking toe, the funny shaped toe-like.
Yeah,
it's
we
a
have
pod.
some samples outside.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Yeah, man, we can take it out.
Oh, that's awesome.
And then I'm going to add some ripe banana, raw peanut, a little bit of oats. I have some African cinnamon, not cinnamon, nutmeg actually.
Okay.
My friend just brought back from Benin and Togo.
Cool.
So we like our exotic spices from all over the continent, all natural.
Wicked.
So yeah, man.
So it's nice that you have an Ital option right in
Absolutely.
Boston, right?
Absolutely. Our Ital and vegan foodies are excited about it. They're traveling and they want a nice, you know?
Yeah, it's just another reason for people to come out, because a lot of people come out just for that jerk thing, which is fine, nice and famous area, but...
Smell this nutmeg.
Wow.
Strong.
Oh, powerful. Okay.
So this is a different kind from the one we're used to here.
Oh, it's very tiny.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, interesting.
And inside this shell is actually a smaller nut, and then I kind of grind them down
Wow.
in a coffee grinder. It's a different process from the Jamaican nutmeg that just, yeah?
The nutmeg.
This is the one you just break the shell and there's a thing inside.
Very different. Is this one from Jamaica as well then? The
No,
small
no, this
one?
is from Africa.
It's an Africa one.
Totally.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So cool.
And this one, you hear it in the shell.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's a sampling. And I do the Irish moss and it becomes gel-like, so I'm going to add the gel.
Nice.
Yeah, like a tablespoon, or this is enough.
So this is the one that you boil.
This is the dry.
This is the original moss.
Yes, and then when it's boiled, or some people just soak it in spring water, then it gets gel-like. And that is the super part of the superfood combo here. So this is my supernatural smoothie.
Wow.
Yeah. I can add a little nut milk as well. But yeah.
Yeah, the sea moss is famous these days as a superfood. It's really kind of catching steam in other parts of the world. Here, it's always been like that.
Yeah, for ages, since I was a kid.
So that's peanut.
Raw peanuts, more protein. And their stinking toe has the highest fruit protein. Yeah?
Yeah.
And this is like an ancient fruit.
So cool.
We love our nutmeg from Guinea. Sorry, from Benin.
A little vanilla.
Little extract of vanilla. That's the star of the show right there. Tinkin Toe powder.
Sea moss almost looks like ramen.
Yeah. And there are different kinds. Some is lighter, some is darker. Yeah, different consistency, but yeah, nice and dry.
Okay.
Like dry seaweed, but
Cool.
yeah. And this is the superhero right here. This is the featured guy today.
Stinkin Toe,
Yeah.
aka Tinkin Toe.
They want to give you a nice...
So you said it's some work though to process it, yeah?
Oh yeah, because you have to get it out of the hard outer shell. And then the fruit, is on some big seeds, so you have to remove that powder film. And then you have to still dry it for storage sake.
Yeah.
And then you blend it through a blender, and then you have the fine powder.
Yeah, yeah.
100% natural.
So nice, smells so nice. It kind of has a nutty smell to
Sort
it.
of, In other
Yeah.
parts of the world, people use it in pancake and stuff. I think Brazil.
Oh yeah.
Because of course most of our foods can be found in other parts of the world. Yeah,
Yeah, true.
Alright. So I'm add a little spring water and a little nut milk. And then your punch should be ready.
Oh man.
Oh yeah, I need some frozen ripe banana.
Yeah. Yeah, I find smoothie, the banana is just the essential
Yes.
in all of them.
It's the natural sweetener. It's the, yeah, this is a little soy milk. I use almonds sometimes. And I don't even have to use any. It's all optional because this is like super rich, this smoothie here.
Nice.
It's a liquid meal.
Yeah, yeah.
Totally. Send you on your way for the day.
Perfect.
Just to get this stuff going.
Yeah, this thing looks high tech. I think I need a new blender. It's like something so nice and high end. Like, make it work nice and easy.
Yeah.
NutriBullet.
My sister brought me this one from America.
Nice.
Yeah. This is the boss right here of blenders. Smooth enough. It still has a little grit, you see, the peanuts.
Little grit's good by me.
Don't it, huh?
Yeah.
Why not?
It's good for the system.
Alright, let me see. I'm gonna make sure it has enough of everything. You might have a little fruit too, but it's okay. Because I added the banana. Perfect glass.
Wow.
For you.
Look at that. Thank you so much.
That's my Supernatural smoothie.
Okay. What other favorites do people order when they come here? What other smoothies do you do?
I do a triple fruit with ripe banana, of course, being popular one. Mango, if it's seasonal. Whatever is seasonal, but 3 fruits. You can either add Irish moss or just some lime and that's it. But all fruits. Okay. No sugar added.
Alright.
So that's the fruit smoothie. Otherwise I have juices, sorrel, tamarind, seasonal fruits. We try to use all our fruits and foods in their seasons, as we should.
That's the nicest thing. So right now, I guess coming into, or it's like autumn, winter, it's like soursop time.
There you go. I saw a bunch in the market this morning.
Nice.
So yeah. Tamarind is coming back in the springtime, but I do have tamarind that I save, you know. I save what I can.
And over the winter, what would be a common one to...
I wonder what's going to be available. We will have sour stuff for sure, because I see them coming in. Yeah.
Is avocado or pear?
There's some, but this is not really the time. You can still find a few. But everything comes back in the spring and summer, you know. So
spring, summer becomes mango time. I know that.
We live for that.
Mango season here is so crazy.
And the varieties, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Every time I'm trying a new mango, different name I never heard about.
There you go. And there's still more to discover.
Yeah, even in different parishes.
Different parishes, that's it. Have different ones. They call by different names. So when we travel throughout, we're still discovering foods. Yeah. Within our island. Yeah. Awesome. So cheers.
Cheers.
To your health.
Salute. Right, here we go. What's the name again?
It's a Stinkin Toe Punch.
Stinkin Toe Punch.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Or a Supernatural smoothie. Because it's chock full of all sorts of goodies. The Irish moss, the raw peanut, the oats, everything. It's a liquid meal.
It's got such a nice thickness to it. It doesn't shake, it rocks. Look at that. It's like a bulby soup. It doesn't shake it, not shake it, rock. That's what he says about his soup when you get a proper thickness, right? You know famous bulby?
Yeah. That's funny.
Yeah. Well, look at it. That's the right thickness. I should do that in slow motion. So, yeah, it definitely tastes like this is a proper meal in a drink. Definitely. Yeah, definitely some real nice sweetness to the banana.
Smell the stinking toe. It just has a nice light sweet.
But people call it the stinking toe, and I don't find it stinky at all. I mean, I just find it tastes nice. It kind of has a nutty, light nutty type flavor to it, almost almondy. If I was to describe it, the texture of it's kind of funny, but when it's powdered and mixed, I mean, obviously you can't tell. I do like the peanut chunks in here. It's like an extra good kick.
You might run into a piece of banana too.
Yeah, so good. And yeah, the nutmeg, everything all together. Yeah, that's just a super nice smoothie.
Going down well.
So I find it funny that they call the stinking toe, because like I said, it doesn't really smell, does it?
It does actually. The initial smell is a little pungent when you crack the shell. Okay. Let's open one outside and try.
Okay, we can try.
But after it's aerated for a while like this, And you smell a slight little, you know, hint of, I know you can call that smell, but it's so awesome to me because we know how super healthy this is.
The noonie fruit or the noni fruit is the real stinking toe to
and
me.
here we go.
I just saw that.
Because
I'm like, you're making some noonie juice
as well, yeah. I filter it and it's like pure wine. This is some samples of, and I'll keep filtering it through cheesecloth.
Oh wow! So you got a real. That's a super dark
nice, huh?
one.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah.
No mold, nothing. It's so clean.
I make it too.
You make it too, right?
And I made the mistake of trying to make it in the car as I was traveling around, and I came back to my car.
It got moldy?
No, it just stank so bad, the whole car.
Of course.
And it took 2 days for the smell to leave the car.
But it's quite sealed in this jar, and plus I have bigger containers.
Yeah, I was doing plastic bag driving around.
Yeah.
So.
I used to do that too. I have huge kegs that I do, but this is my favorite.
Better in the glass.
Yes. I wish I had some huge glass, you know, container. But yeah.
All right, let's go have a look at the
stinky toe.
The stinking toe.
All right.
Rock. Oh, that's perfect. I'm so glad you found that.
Yeah, my sister brought one from
awesome.
up in the hills where she is.
Yeah, because I was going to say, sometimes you don't find it so easy.
No, it's not so easily acquired. Oh, like she says, because these were around for a while, she's not sure if they
might be
quite
good.
usable, right? So this was just for show, so to speak. This is so last season. I realized that one is not usable, but if I could find
it's
one.
Supposed to be a kind of light color, right?
Right, light beige. This one is, right, so it's gone.
So it's turned already.
Yeah. We can find pictures though, because I have so many photos.
Nice.
Or I keep trying because you don't really need these, but once they're so old.
Maybe we get lucky.
Maybe
not.
Oh, she promised.
God.
No, it's still moldy.
So we didn't get lucky to show, but
the insides, because it's out of season.
But I can show people in another video because I did find some on a hike. So I'll put a link to that. And you have a shop next door here as well that sells clothing, but there's also a book that was written.
Yes, this is on 40 of our medicinal herbs, and this is on some of our past foods that is rediscovering indigenous foods.
Oh wow.
Yeah, for food security. Cool. So a lot of these foods grow in different regions, South America, Central America, parts of the Caribbean, Africa, you know. So this is definitely one of our past foods, the stinking toe.
Oh, you got a chapter on stinking toe?
Absolutely.
Okay, and it's by Kukuwa who
Abba, yes.
Okay. Yes. And she's just right next door to us right now,
It's the same, one family.
One family, okay, got it. Nice.
That's my mama.
That's your mom.
So this is one who...
Oh, there we go.
So this is what it looks like, eh?
Oh, yeah. The stinking toe locust, that's how I heard of it. Oh, in Brazil. Yeah, Jatoba. Yeah.
So you can find this book on Amazon or other platforms.
Okay, so I'll link the book down below for anyone who wants to check it out. And there's 2 books. There's this one, which is the
This one was done during COVID.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
And then this one's all about herbs. 40.
And they go together because you'll find that some of these are in this and vis-a-vis.
Yeah.
Food, medicine, food, right?
That's awesome. Can they buy them from the shop here too?
Yes, we have copies.
Yeah.
She does, yeah. She brought some from London recently. So.
That is so awesome.
Yes,
Cool.
And of course we do foods, you know, but the stinking toe punch is a feature today. But we have a couple. This is one of my featured recipes in this book.
Oh, yeah.
The roast fruit and veggie rundown.
So this is another one you could order right at the restaurant here?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And are there other favorites that you have in the book that you also serve here?
Yeah, well, my 2 additions to this book.
Or like you said, things are so seasonal here. It's not like there's an official menu,
amaranth,
right?
you know, kalaloo, with rice and gungo. Yeah.
Awesome.
Full protein, carbs, good iron, everything.
All right, well, next time I pass by, I'm definitely going to have to stop for
you can always call ahead.
Okay, cool.
Man.
So nice. Feel so healthy, so full from even one glass. I'm just going to go have a look at the clothing because there's actually some very unique clothing. A lot of it imported from Africa, so really cool fabrics and designs that I have not seen anywhere around here or even at home. So right beside...
Watch your head.
This is the one that caught my eye right away as soon as I pulled up.
That's probably, she brought it in London. It's a nice one,
okay.
Yeah. But all of these are original batiks and fabrics from different parts of Africa. And we do have more stuff in stock as well.
Wow.
That we didn't put forward. Beautiful fabrics.
So cool.
Yeah. Men, women.
So you said you just brought some stuff from Benin, was
did.
it?
She came, yeah.
Ah.
Kukuwa just brought back some stuff.
Was she over there herself then?
She travels every year.
Wow.
Yeah, she's been doing this for
So cool.
many, many years. Hand-picking beautiful kente, woven stuff. She does direct fair trade with Africa, so yeah.
That's so
We like
wicked.
to have stuff done there. Yes, custom made and otherwise. Beautiful brass bracelets.
Cool, and all kinds of different jewelry.
Things, yes.
Stuff you can't find so easily.
As well, you know, with beads.
Oh, these are homemade ones?
Yeah, yeah, I do these. These are mostly waist beads.
Okay.
Like these Kukuwa makes with all stones from Africa.
Oh, wow.
So each one is unique and yeah, very special. These two I do, gemstones.
So
They're simpler
cool.
ones. But we have to pay homage to the motherland from where so many beautiful things are created, yeah?
And you got all the different handbags too.
Oh, yeah, 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 totally.
So many different, look at that one, that's crazy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I don't have much of an eye for cool handbags, but these do look cool to me.
They're all unique, you know?
Yeah.
These are good for either the beach market, whatever. They make it, you know.
Wow. Yeah, not styles you can find just anywhere. So cool.
Stop by whenever you're in East Portland.
Yeah.
Boston Bay.
Right.
Catch a surf, a smoothie, and some beautiful stuff.
And the skate too.
Yeah, 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 the skate park. Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice community project, yeah? Very inclusive.
Oh, and you got shoes here too,
Yeah.
or sandals rather.
All done in Africa, yeah. We're usually at Bob Marley Museum every year for his birthday celebration.
Oh, yeah.
We get invited to events, so
Yeah.
that's a venue in Kingston that a lot of people look forward to seeing our stuff.
Cool.
Because then we'll have more. I'll be creating some pieces to take on that trip.
That's February?
Yes.
February 2nd, is it?
No.
February
7th, is it? 6th or 7th is Bob Marley's
Okay.
birthday when they hold the celebration at the museum.
Cool.
So yeah, we're glad to be representing Africa and Jamaica in our little part of the world.
And any other recommendations or final words for people?
I don't know, let your food be your medicine your food. I don't think great ones have said it before me, but yeah man, keep close to home. Yeah.